What is UTP and LTP? We all are known about the mobile phone charger. The charger charges the mobile phone up to a particular level, after which it does not get charged, which can be considered as upper level. And also, below certain level, its battery gets over and phone gets switched off, which can be considered as lower level. Similarly, a Schmitt trigger circuit also works on the values of UTP and LTP. Thus, the Schmitt trigger circuit has an upper trigger point or upper level of input voltage at which it triggers, and Schmitt trigger also has a lower trigger point or lower voltage level at which its output switches back to the original state. Let's discuss digital frequency counter where Schmitt trigger is used. The block diagram of digital frequency counter contains 8 elements, namely attenuator, Schmitt trigger, gate, counter, clock, decade dividers, flip-flop, display. The input is first amplified or attenuated. The shaped waveform is fed to AND gate. The other AND gate input is controlled by flip-flop. Now, Schmitt trigger circuit has an upper trigger point, that is UTP, or an upper level of input voltage, and the output switches back to the original state at lower trigger point, that is LTP. The difference between the UTP and LTP is termed hysteresis. The voltages at which the output switches from plus V to minus V, or vice versa, are called upper trigger point and lower trigger point. The related term is